Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Randy Saves, and today I will show you my Publix haul that I did this week. The weekly sales ad started yesterday for me, which was Thursday, and it ends on Wednesday. As I always mention, just check your weekly sales ad. Certain states, certain cities starts on Wednesday and it ends on Tuesday. So let's get started. The first item that I purchased was the Screaming Sicilian, not sure if I'm saying it right, but it's the stromboli. So anything that is frozen, I just decided to put one for the video because I just don't want to clutter the video. So anyway, so I purchased two of the stromboli. They're on offer for buy one get one free. So for the two of them, it was $3.99. I used two of the $1.50 off one manufacturer coupon that came in the inserts. So after those two coupons, it was 99 cents or 50 cents each. If you do not have those $1.50 off coupons, there is also a printable coupon. You just go to their site and sign up for their newsletter, and you will be able to get a coupon for $1 off one. Not quite the $1.50, but $1. So it ends up being $1.99. I'm sorry, yes, $1.99 if you use the $1 coupon, which is still a great deal. In that same deal, the Screaming Sicilian pizza is also included. So if you prefer the pizza, it is at my store priced at $8.99. So it's a little bit more, but it's still a great deal for pizza. The next item that I purchased was the Tyson chicken strips. So they're on sale for buy one get one free. So for two of them, it was $9.99. I used two of the $1.50 off one manufacturer coupon. So after that, it was $6.99 or $3.50 per package, which I think is a great deal. I will go ahead and include where all these coupons came from in the description box. So make sure to check the description box so you can check the location of the coupons. The next item that I purchased was the Healthy Ones lunch meat. So they have different varieties. I decided to purchase the oven rusted turkey breast, and I also got the Black Forest ham. So they're on sale for buy one get one free. So for the two of them, it was $4.29. I used a coupon for $1 off of two. So after that coupon, it was $3.29 or about $1.65 per package, which I think is a phenomenal deal. The next item that I purchased were the Pretzels Crisp. So they're on sale for buy one get one free. For the two of them, it was $3.69. I used two of the $1 off manufacturer coupon, making it $1.69 or 85 cents per package. If you do not have the $1 off one insert coupon, then there is a $1 off of two printable. So it will end up being a little bit more, but still a great deal. The next item that I purchased was the Truvia natural sweetener. So they're on sale for buy one get one free. For the two of them, it was $3.79. I used two of the $1.50 off one manufacturer coupon. There's also there's an insert and a printable. So after that coupon, it was 79 cents for both of them or about 40 cents per package. So I think that's a great deal. The next item that I purchased was the Dole pineapple. The Dole pineapple, they have the smaller ones and they had the chunks. So for the two of their buy one get one free, for the two of them it was $1.69, and then I used a 75 cents off two manufacturer coupon. So after that it was 94 cents or about 47 cents per can, which I think is a great deal. The next item I just purchased because I needed wipes for my baby. They are on sale for $1.99. I believe that's part of the purple flyer that ends today, the 26th. I had a digital coupon for 50 cents off one, so it made it $1.49. Not the greatest deal, but if you're in need of wipes, $1.49 for 64 count, not bad there. The next item that I purchased was the Blue Diamond almonds. This is the 6-ounce can. So they're on sale for buy one get one free. For the two of them, it was $3.89. I used the manufacturer coupon, which is $2 off of two. In my inserts, I received the $1 off of two. So I decided to use the digital coupon that is 2 off of 2. So if you're lucky enough to receive the 2 off of 2 inserts, then you can do it multiple times. But if you only have the $1.50 and you don't want to use it and use the $2 off of 2, you can clip it on Publix.com, making the final price $1.89 or about 95 cents per can. Great deal there. The next item that I purchased was let me show you here, is the Hungry Man these Hungry Man meals. So this is the 15.25 ounce. So they're on sale for a buy one get one free. So for the two of them, it was $3.69. And then I decided to buy this Swanson chicken pot pie. They're 10 for 10 or $1 each. So in the green flyer, there's a coupon when you purchase 2 Hungry Man meals. You get a Swanson chicken pot pie or Swanson pot pie for free. So for the 3 items, the 2 Hungry Man and the Swanson, it was $3.69. Not the greatest deal, but I mean, if you use these items or eat these things, it's really good. So that is all my haul. My total before coupons was $38.01. I used a total of $15.25 in manufacturer coupon and $1 in Publix coupon, which was for the Swanson. So that made my total out of pocket $21.76, or about $1.21 per item. I know it's probably not the best deal. I did not have the 5 off of 40, which I couldn't use because I didn't hit 40. But I still think it's a great deal considering I got chicken strips, stromboli, meals for lunch, and lunch meat. So I think it's a great deal. Now the retail value for all of this without any coupons or sales would have been $73.53. So that's good there. So that's it, guys. Just remember to check the description box. I will make sure and put the location of the coupons. If they're no longer available, they won't be mentioned. So if you don't see a coupon in the description box about the items that I mentioned, that means that is no longer available. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.